So we have created this wonderful assignment on DC motors, and when we go on open problem number 5, we find that the problem is exquisite but the figure is a chubby one. What happened? What happened is that the dimensions to the figure that we've specified, where can we see them? Down here you see homework sets editors. The problem is number 5. Click on the -5 down here, and in the editor you can scroll down near the description of the problem, and sure, there in the image loading instruction of the file, that by the way it's named curve.png. In this particular case we have specified to display that with a width of 625 pixels and a height of 187, and of course those are not the right dimensions. How do I find what should be the dimensions? The way I do it is go to the file manager and into the directory where that file is, sandbox2 asn6, and look for the file there. We know it's called curve.png, this one, and that one I will download to the hard drive of my computer. I'll put that in the downloads generic file. Let me call that just test png. How creative is that? Save and open that figure with Photoshop. Opening that file, open test png. Sure, it looks fine on Photoshop. What we want is to learn what are the true dimensions of that figure. Click here in the menu, image, down to image size, and look, the true dimensions of that figure are 1200 pixels of width and 637 pixels of height, but that is too much for WeBWorK. I would never go wider than 800, so I write here in width 800, and Photoshop will advise me to use a height of 425 so that the relationship is maintained. 800, 425. We go back, homework set, sandbox DC motor, question 5, and click on -5. Scroll down to where the image loading instruction is, up here, and change the width for 800 and the height for 425 pixels. Update down here and take action. Update it. Let me close this display. I want to see it the way the students will see it. Up here, look, much better, don't you think? Much better. And that is the way I set up the right dimensions for a figure in WeBWorK. Thank you very much.